Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So today's topic is about 10 different ways of online earning. So let's get started. So the first one is get advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. Turn your cat videos into a cash videos. If your YouTube blog videos or blog posts draw a big audience, you may be able to make money from advertising. With Google AdSense business pay to advertise around your content, the service is free but there are requirements you must meet. Become an Instagram influencer. Easy ways to make extra money online. Companies are using Instagram influencers, people with large dedicated followings on the platform to represent their product. Professional freelancer freelancing via the internet is a great way of experts in their individual trades to help a variety of clients overall. Several freelancing and project-based websites let businesses that need extra help to list their projects. Small businesses and freelancers offer proposal ideas or bids whereby the buyers can easily choose what they want and need an affiliate marketer. One of the easiest way to make a few bucks online is affiliate marketing. An affiliate is essentially someone who receives a commission for selling products of other companies, whether it's on their own site or through other channels like eBay. The best part is that you don't have to develop any product yourself, just sell others' products. For example, Amazon affiliates can potentially take it options amount of commission dollars if they work at it. Make your own brand. If you have a knack for creating unique images, there's no need to fuss over your own inventory. If your creations can be easily printed on a product, then you can make money. Upload your designs on a variety of websites like CafePress. If someone likes them, the company print them up and ships the product. You could create unique designs for calendars, books, t-shirts, bag, hats, greeting cards or posters and get a commission for each one sold. Some of these sites include Zazzle, Teespring and Lulu. Sell pictures and photos. Do you love taking pictures and have a general passion for photography? If so, you could make a very nice living for yourself online selling your photos. There are countless people who are willing to pay you good money for your collection of your images you have to offer. Today, more than ever, it's super easy to submit your pics to the masses, which can provide you with a very convenient approach to create a solid source of additional income. Several stock photo sites like Shutterstock and Photologия offer ticketing incentives for individuals to earn money passively from the photo and images they randomly shoot in their spare time. I hope you people learned a lot from today's video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.